musical tradition, as well as literature and history of the Finnish people into his music. As his overall influence on Finnish culture has been significant. Since 2011, we have celebrated his birthday, 8th December, as the Day of Finnish Music. I'm also proud to tell you that in September this year, the city of Belgrade decided to name a street after Jean Sibelius. Finally, I really want to thank sincerely Ms. Jovanka Vysekruna, Director of ArtLink, the EU delegation in Belgrade, and Ms. Jelena Medakovic, Director of Belgrade City Museum, for making this concert possible. So please enjoy the concert, followed by some wine and refreshments generously provided by Tikvesh Winery. And now, I think I would like to hand over to Vuk and Uki Ovaskainen. Thank you.
Thank you for coming here. I hope